A healthy relationship gonna challenge you, but not in the same ways a toxic one would. Instead of fighting off exhaustion from sleepless nights, anxiety-filled mornings, and not feeling good enough, you'll face the challenge of being vulnerable, of not sabotaging the relationship, of regulating your emotions and showing up even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it. A healthy relationship comes with its challenges too. It's just up to you to choose which ones you're willing to face.